Welcome, today we're going to show you how to sell digital products in Amazon. So the first thing that you need to do is to see two websites actually. The first one is Kindle Direct Publishing and the second one is Amazon Merch on Demand. So I will tell you how to sell digital products in these two websites and it's actually very easy. So if you want to start selling in Amazon, Kindle is your first way. So in Kindle, you can actually start making your digital story or your digital book. You can make a journal. You can make anything you like. After that, you can actually just come from here and create new title or series. So just click on create new title as you from here. And now it will redirect you from here. So you can click on Kindle ebook, paper book, hardcover, or you can click on series page. So if you click on create ebook, this page will start for you. As you from here, you need to write book title, book information, and you need to write everything about your book. After that, you can actually upload your book and content and do the pricing for the book. After you do so, you can actually just publish your book and it will be on sale for everybody to buy and see. Also, another thing you can do is to go to Amazon Merch on Demand as see from here. So from here, there will be more than one thing that you can do. So you can actually just upload a photo as see from here, just a logo of your own or something you have designed, like a new design, pixel art or something that you think that everybody will like. After that, you can put it from here on Merch on Demand. Like I'll see from here, they will add you designs on t-shirts, mugs and other stuff. And after that, you can get a share of the profit. So you can actually just sign in or sign up to Merch on Demand, make your own designs and start selling. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.